Hi, nice to see you again. Today we're doing this. We are going to apply the acclaimed teal and orange color grade to our video. The teal and orange look, also known as the blockbuster look, is probably the most loved and praised look for video and photography. Once you start paying attention to it, you will see this look everywhere. In Hollywood movies, TV shows, Netflix, it's everywhere. But what makes this specific look so irresistible? First of all, we are creating extra contrast, as the teal and orange shades are on the opposite ends of the spectrum on the color wheel. Against the teal background, the orange shades really stand out. And these orange shades happen to be in the range of the human skin tones, which are obviously the most important parts of the image to us. Aside from creating extra contrast and directing our focus, the teal and orange look also creates an image that is simply very pleasing to watch. The look closely resembles the effect of what's known as golden hour, the brief period just after sunrise and just before sunset, loved by cinematographers for, well, its teal and orange look. There are a lot of ways to achieve this look, and if you want to, you can spend hours on watching interesting tutorials on YouTube, ranging from very simple to ultra complex. In this video, we're going to do it in Premiere, using Lumetri Color, and we're keeping it quick, simple, while still getting excellent results. Before we do anything else, we first apply some basic color correction, making sure the image looks good to begin with. Now we'll add an adjustment layer to create the look we want. I recommend always using this workflow to keep things uncluttered. So the basic color correction on the clip itself and the specific look and color grading on an adjustment layer. A really simple way to apply the look is by using a LUT. You can find a ton of teal and orange look LUTs out there, and you can add them to the folder Creative in LUTs in Lumetri in the Contents folder in Adobe Premiere Pro in Applications via Finder if you're on Mac, or in Program Files if you're on Windows. You can apply the look by going to Lumetri Color and then go to Creative and select the look. When working with LUTs, it's very important to keep in mind that they will not always work well on every shot. LUTs are not tailor-made, while every shot might ask for a slightly different approach. What often works for me is decreasing the intensity and even stack two different LUTs to get the look I want. But as easy as using LUTs might seem, I think we can get way better and more satisfying results if we do things ourselves. So let's remove the effects from the adjustment layer and take matters into our own hands. The first thing we'll want to do is isolate the skin tones. So in Lumetri Color we go to HSL Secondary and we use the qualifier to select the skin tones. It's no problem if other objects that are within the same color range come along. Just focus on isolating the skin tones. Fine-tune the selection and increase the denoise and blur to make sure you clean up the noise. Now, invert the selection. Under Correction, we'll click the three little balls and we're going to push teal into the midtones and the highlights. Depending on the image, you might want to add the levels effect to blacken the blacks or whiten the whites a bit. If the image needs further tweaking using the Lumetri color curves to further fine-tune specific colors, you should add a new instance of the Lumetri color effect. And that's it. That's how you can add that epic teal and orange look to your videos in just a few steps.